Hi friends, we're gonna play a counting game. Are you ready? Whenever I show you one of the cards, it might have a number or it might have a dot, but it's our job to count and see what's on the card, okay? Whether it's a number or a dot. Are you ready to play? All right. Now, it's sort of like a little song we're going to sing, and it's called, you're going to pat your hands on your lap. Happy tappy tappy, happy tappy ooh, happy tappy tappy. Which card will I show? Okay, you ready? Happy tappy tappy, happy tappy ooh, happy tappy tappy. Which card will I show you? That's a dot. And how many dots do you see? One. Very good. Happy tappy tappy, happy tappy ooh, happy tappy tappy. Which card will I show you? Two dots. Wrong way. One, two. All right, let's do it again. Let me get my cards together. Happy tappy tappy, happy tappy ooh, happy tappy tappy. Which card will I show you? You're right. Three dots. Let's count them. One, two, three. Good job. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Might get tricky. Happy tappy tappy, happy tappy ooh, happy tappy tappy. Which card will I show you? Are you ready? Oh, I lost. Are you ready? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Are you ready? Happy tappy tappy, happy tappy ooh, happy tappy tappy. Which card will I show you? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Ready? Happy tappy, happy tappy, happy tappy tappy. Which card will I show you? Let's keep going. Happy tappy tappy, happy tappy ooh, happy tappy tappy. Which card will I show you? 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Happy tappy tappy, happy tappy ooh, happy tappy tappy. Which card will I show you? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? Happy tappy tappy, happy tappy ooh, happy tappy tappy. Which card will I show you? We ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Happy tappy tappy. Happy tappy ooh. Happy tappy tappy. Which card will I show you? 10. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 1, I have 2, I have 3 little fingers, I have 4, I have 5, I have 6 little fingers, I have 7, I have 8, I have 9 little fingers, 10 little fingers on my hand. They can clap, they can clap, they can clap like this. They can clap, they can clap, they can clap like this. They can clap, they can clap, they can clap like this. 10 little fingers on my hand. I like that song. All right, now guess what we're going to do? We're going to count. We're going to make a number line. Are you ready? All right. I have my paper and I have my marker. And now we're going to write the numbers that we just count. We counted from 1 to 10. Now we're going to make a number line so you can visually see the numbers. You can see them with your eyes. Are you ready? Here we go. So we're going to write the number 1. Good. 1. Now what number comes next? 2. Next. 3. What's next? 4. What's next? 5. What's next? 6. What's next? 7. What's next? 8. What's next? What's next? You're right. 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. It has a 1 and a 0. And we can also put a 0 in the beginning of our number line. And also when you do math, 0 is a placeholder. So you'll learn a little bit more about when you go to kindergarten. 0 is a placeholder. So let's count. Are you ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Friends, well, this book is called Charlie Plays Ball. But this book is about dogs and worry and see what kind of ball. The book is by Read Diamond by Diane Digger. I live is really, especially for ranch dogs like me. I have to say, oh, he's a hound dog, that's why. Mama says eating, she doesn't know if she'll ever have it. I'm a hardworking ranch, have to eat hard, but we play hard too. Always time for that. We climb big mountains, teacher, explore new territories, leap tall, and boy, I do love to play ball. Playing ball is big around here. My favorite football. The football. Todd loves to tackle. Let's drop the ball. Sniff, sniff. Does that mean it's mine? Wait. Oh. dragged into this. Oh, that's much better. Good. Yep, football's my favorite, all right. But wait, soccer. Playing soccer is fun. Whew, this sure is out of running around. I think I'm down for a minute. This looks like a comfy spot. What I miss? What's that bouncing noise? Now we're talking. Basketball. I love it. Mama loves it too. They sure are good at this. They're fast. She shoots. She scores. She rubs my ear. Oh, I think I hear my tummy rumbling. Finally, Mama is picking up around here. Basketball. Dinner time. Hooray. My very favorite balls of all. And what are they? Meatballs. Meatball. His own favorite spaghetti. It gives you the recipe and the instructions. That is so cool. See you next time. Bye-bye.